Hey guys, I've partnered up with Fab Fit Fun for this unboxing video. It's for the spring unboxing box video for Fab Fit Fun. So I'm so excited to do this because, well, quite a while ago I actually wanted to go into doing Fab Fit Fun anyways because it looked like they got a lot of neat products. So it is awesome that they partnered up with me to do this unboxing video for spring. But this is completely and utterly just my opinion. I'm not getting paid for this. I got the box for free and we're just partnered up so that I could give you my honest opinions on this box. And I mean honest. You guys know that I'm very honest about things. So let's get into this box. I also have a coupon code for this box. It is Aries10, all capitals. So if you would like to try out this box for $10 off, you go ahead and put in Aries10. So this box is huge. I'm a little bit wary about opening it because I don't have much space in front of me. Let's move this mirror. Let's move everything that's here. I got this paper or plastic paper. Get my phone. I basically have to make room for this box. This box takes up this entire table that's in front of me. Okay, so let's open up this box. I mean, this is how big it is. Not exaggerating. It's a big box, so I'm very curious of what's inside. You know, it's a spring collection, so I'm excited to see what they have for spring. I'm using a knife. Be careful with what you use to cut this open. See, I'm so excited to see what's inside. Like I said, I've been wanting to get Fabfitfun for a long time. And ironically, when I got this box in this partnership, my mom actually came to me when I got this box. She's like, Amanda, I was gonna log in and actually think about subscribing to this box too. So it's funny that you just got it. Did you subscribe to it? I said, no. I'm partnered up with it. And she's like, she still doesn't believe how things are when it comes to YouTube. Now I really don't have any room. Okay, let's just turn it to the side. Now the box is packed with stuff. Packed. Right away you get a magazine called Fab Fit Fun. So I'll be reading that sometime. I'm trying to be careful that it doesn't fall off the table. Crooked teeth. Bite me, straighten your and brighten your teeth at home. 6 times faster and 65% less expensive than braces with bite invisible aligners. So does it come with it? Or is it just a coupon code? It says use code FFF BITE with Y instead of an I. America's #1 meal kits from HelloFresh. 9 free meals including free shipping. Use this code. I'm gonna see if my mom wants it, so I'm not gonna tell you the code. Sorry. So you get that, and then it's on to unwrapping. Share to win FabFitFun hashtag. My cat's right here trying to see what's inside also. Alright, we got a lot of things in here. A lot of things in here. I mean, I'm not even gonna look at all that stuff. I don't even know where to begin. From the looks of it, they don't give you a little pamphlet telling you what the things are. I wonder if it's in the magazine. Let me just double check real quick. Or maybe this is it. Maybe this is it, guys. I mean, I see this right here. What's in your box? Yep, this is it. I think. I guess we're just gonna pull out and see what's on the list and see if everything's in the box or if it's a selection of the items that are on this magazine. Like this, like a whole page, like woo, full of items that could be in this box. All right, I'm just gonna grab away. Right away, we got this. I'm being attacked. It's a hairbrush. I do need a new hairbrush. How did you guys know? A 4A. It's Aria. Did I pronounce that right? Beauty Luxe Detangling Electroplated Brush. Perfect for all hair types. The extended bristles offer easy detangling and reduce stress to the hair and scalp. Well, we have to be the judge of that because my hair is at that point now where it's always tangled no matter what it does. I like the color, the rose gold color. Let's see. Well, it brushes through my hair pretty easily, but then again, I just brushed my hair, so, well. My hair is a little bit stiff right now because I just worked out before I did this video. So it's like, girl, you sweaty. So, well, I brushed my hair pretty easily, and you can see yourself through the back of it. Don't know if that was intended, but it's intended for me because now I can see myself. I'm just gonna put this off to the side. AG Hair Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner. Dealing with frizzy or dry hair, use the leave-on conditioner to moisture and help smooth split ends. I don't generally have split ends, and I don't have a problem with smoothing my hair, so I will give this to my mom to try. It's already sealed, so I'm not going to open it. I'm excited for it though, because she has really bad hair when it comes to dry and frizziness, and she has a lot of split ends, so this might be perfect for her. So I'm going to give this to her and let her try it out, because you wouldn't see a difference with my hair. My hair is already smooth and doesn't have any split ends, so I'm not saying that as a good thing, guys. I'm just saying that I don't have any split ends. Oh! Oh! Where is this on the list? I don't see it on the list. Let me just double check, guys. I don't see this on the... Maybe there's a second page? There is a second page. There's the second page to this. 7A. Chic and Tonic Silicone Straws. This is a set, includes 4 silicone straws, a brush cleaner, and a carrying case as you can sip your drinks on the go. This is $15. Oh, the other two things. The hairbrush was $35 and the fast food hair conditioner is $24. Sorry, I forgot to say that. We have straws, don't get me wrong, that we always use in the house. But these I can put in my car, so if I ever go to fast food places, I can tell them not to put a straw in my drink. Sometimes they don't even do it anyways, they forget. But, oh, that's pretty cool. My favorite color is green, so this would be mine. So, I'm excited for that. I'm going to have to definitely put this in the car. Yeah. So, is this the carrying case? Is this the carrying... How do we put it in the carrying... Do we just... Alright, here I go trying things. Alright. Do we just... I guess we just do that. We just fold it up. I would be worried that, oh, no, it just springs back without a problem. Okay, so yes, you just fold it up and you put it in the container and you close it. Ta-da! See? Look how cute that is. Okay, I'm going to definitely use this. It's definitely going to be used. Alright, let's see what's next. This. Let's see if I can find it on the list before we go on. Must find it on the list. Here. Here it is. Here it is. You know, I'm going to start pulling you guys closer so you can see the products. You can't see the product. 2D. Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. Leave your skin soothed and refreshed with electrolyte packed hydration. This is $39. So I'm going to open it up so you guys can see inside of it. I'm just going to put this to the side. And there it is. It's very wavy. It's blue in color. And it kind of has, it has a smell to it, but I can't pinpoint what the smell is, so sorry guys. Next. Oh, this is weighted. This is heavy. 3B. Gravity weighted sleep mask. Catch some quality Z's. This weighted sleep mask blocks light and distributes a light touch across key pressure points. I don't sleep with sleep masks. I sleep with a pillow over my head, but I can't seem to sleep with sleep masks. I just don't like the idea of something covering my eyes like that. Although I use a pillow to sleep with over my head. But Dad hoards these things because he sleeps with them. So I might let him borrow it and tell me what he thinks. It's soft and it's definitely weighted. Ugh, it definitely has some weight to it. This one's the Caravan Diamond Woven Rug. All bohemian flair to your space with this black and white woven rug. I might put this in the bathroom. This sounds like a good idea to put in the bathroom. We'll see how big it is, and then I'll decide if I'm going to put it in the bathroom. Opening it up. Does it say 21 inch x 34 inches? I think that's decent size. I don't think that'll be able to fit in my bathroom. Let's see. So it is yay long. And yay big. Maybe be able to fit in my bathroom if I move things around. So I might put that in my bathroom. That sounds like a very good idea. Purlisse, I think that's how you pronounce it. Watermelon Energizing 2-minute polishing peel. Ooh. My cat's messing with the rug. Infused with extracts of watermelon and lychee and glycolic acid, this polish will give you skin a burst of freshness. I do like watermelon, guys. But I'm very picky about artificial watermelon. Like, if it's real watermelon, will it really smell like watermelon? All skin types. It's 2-minute polishing peel. It's closed, so I'm not going to open it up. But I will probably film a video on this because you know me and filming mess on videos. I need to start doing that again. I think this is the last item. We got a lot of stuff in here. Like, I'm quite surprised with how much stuff that we got. Alright. 6B. Whish Beauty Blue Matcha Restoring Mask. Use this mask to purify stressed skin and even out the pH balance. This is $58. The last one was $35, by the way. So let's open it up and I'll show you. Oh, it has a little thing inside. It says, why matcha, this uniquely blue ingredient found in nature, has both restoring and purifying properties that will leave your skin radiant after just one use. This is what it looks like. I don't say it looks blue. To me it looks green. What do you guys think? It looks green to me, but I would definitely try out. I like masks, so I'll definitely try it out. I promise. I don't know if I'll try it on camera, but I will try it out. Just got stuff everywhere. As I punch my camera. Hello. And that is it for this box. That is it for this box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, this is a partnership with FabFitFun. I'm not getting paid. I'm not being told what to say. I'm not being told what to say about the products. It's completely my honest opinion. I just wanted to let you guys know that so you guys don't think that I'm trying to sell you guys products. I'm just being honest. And I would definitely try out some of these products. I'm very excited about them, especially the masks. I like masks. Maybe I'll try some on camera. Or the only two that I have on camera. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more unboxing videos, makeup videos, or mental health videos, just keep watching, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to subscribe to FabFitFun for more boxes, I think they get 4 a year for spring, summer, fall, and winter. I think that's how they go. That's why the boxes are so humongous. Just use my coupon code at Aries10, all capitals. I'll put it right here so you guys can see it. Bye!